Good afternoon from Imam Tirmizi Street, Tashkent. Today is a big day. I and Basit are heading out to the oldest parts of Tashkent. Basit, you grew up here. Today you are the boss. Where are we going first?
Not really a boss, but firstly, so we go to Chorsu Bazaar. We are going to find the best bread in Uzbekistan.
I've heard so much about this bread. I'm hungry. Let's go.
Let's go.
We have arrived. This is Chorsu Bazaar. It's so bustling. We're heading straight for the bread section. Look at this. So many stalls baking bread here. Basit, why is bread so important in this part of the market?
Because it's made in tandoor. It is traditional clay oven. In Tashkent, we never eat bread from yesterday.
Look at these guys working. They're sticking the dough right onto the walls of the hot oven. The bread comes out golden and steaming. And look at the designs. Basit, what are they doing with the metal stamps?
It is the chekish. It is the chekish, and they put the stamp in the center of bread, and it looks flat and more beautiful. Every family has his own chekish.
Now we are at the Hazrat Imam Complex. It is grand, it's silent, and it holds the oldest Quran in the world. Basit, why is this place so important for the people here?
This is our spiritual center. It shows the beauty of our architecture and our faith. It's a very peaceful place.
We have left the noise of the markets behind. We are now walking into the mahallas. These are the ancient residential neighborhoods of Tashkent. Basit, it feels like we just entered a different century.
Yes. Mahalla is like a big family. Everyone knows each other. Even if you are hungry, your neighbor will feed you.
The streets are so narrow. Look at these walls, made of straw and mud. Basit, why did they build them so close together?
To keep cool in summer and keep warm in winter. It's very old type of building.
The mahalla is the soul of Tashkent. Without this, the city is just buildings. And I must tell you, it's a total maze. If I was here alone, I would be lost in 5 minutes.
Every mahalla has this kind of monument list. Here is, you can see, list of people who went from this mahalla to Second World War and unfortunately who never come back.
From the hot bread of the market to the silence of the mahallas, old Tashkent has a rhythm you wouldn't find anywhere else. If you want to see the soul of Uzbekistan, you have to get lost in these streets. Thanks for joining us today. Das Vidanya.